Hey, Wit, how's it going, man? What you been up to? Miss, hey, or Lev, sorry. How's it going, Lev? It's about showtime here. Wit, you're walked in on a special occasion tonight. Lev is a game developer of this game called Yare, and Mushrooms and I are gonna have a death match momentarily. Pretty good about you? Very glad to hear. I'm doing pretty well. I actually bought a house like yesterday, so I've had a pretty busy weekend. Yeah, I'm doing really pretty well. How about yourself, man? How's your game coming? How's your projects coming? Did you ever sort out that thing we were talking about last time about like embedding Lua in your executable? I think that's the last time we chatted about your project. You're trying to get Lua like embedded in the binary or something, if I remember right. Thank you, Lev. I'm pretty excited about it. It's going to be a busy couple of weeks because you know, moving is always kind of a huge headache and such. But I'm pretty excited about it. I'm moving back pretty near to my hometown, and I really love it out there. So I'm happy about it. Been really looking forward to this. I wish I had more time to hack on this thing, because I've actually been having a ton of fun with this, Lev. This is like a really good game. I've probably spent between today and Thursday night maybe 10 hours in total hacking on this, and I wish I could have spent more, but I guess I'm at least relatively confident in what I'm about to field. Mushrooms, how's it going, man? I dropped a link in Discord. I think clicking that will start the match. No, it's all good, Lev. This is actually really fun. I've been looking forward to this for a couple of days. This is going to be pretty cool, I think. It was stupid of me for scheduling it on the weekend where I'm closing a house, but it's all good. I got a non-buggy build of my bot completed about 15 minutes ago, so we're all good. Realize he's upstream loosely. Okay, yeah, no sweat. I'm not in like any super hurry. If you need to work around with OBS or whatever, don't worry about it. You ready? Okay. I dropped a link in the Yari channel, posted in Pcord. Oh, okay, nice, thank you. Okay, and yeah, I think you just click the link I posted in the Yari channel in the Balance Power Discord, and I think then that accepts the challenge or something, starts the match. Cool. Yeah, there we go. 8 p.m. on the dot. Pretty much, yeah, as far as online esports events goes or whatever. Do you see the link I'm talking about? Yeah, okay, yeah, and Here, let me DM you the link. I think you just gotta click on this guy. You do see it? Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Go ahead. Let's kick her off. Let's get going. How's it going, Utes? Thank you for the quote-unquote encouragement. Animated, thank you. Let's see how this goes here. I really didn't give myself enough time to work on this spot, so it's probably gonna be a disaster. We'll see how it goes. Gotta start a stream. Okay, right on. Once the match starts and Mushrooms has exited the chat, I'll talk about approaching this problem. Excellent. Alright, man. Good luck. Or if the link timed out or something. Let's see what's going on in the Discord. New link, please. Not found. Okay. New game. There we go. So because I just spent like most of a year writing an AI that does something pretty similar to this, I have a lot of appreciation for the complexity of writing a strong AI. What the hell? Is he squares? What is this? Oh shit. I haven't even looked at squares. So anyway, like any respectable hacker, I'm gonna cheat. Instead of trying to write like a strategic AI, I just wrote a tactical AI, and I'm gonna do the play calling manually. I should have at least read the docs for what squares do. This is gonna be rough. Oh shit, he's chaining? I don't even know what that is. So I'm gonna harvest until... Well, shit, I don't want to... Okay, fuck it. Is he going for the outpost? Is he going for my base? That's not... He's going for the base, I guess. Okay, well... Let's go for the outpost. I think my units attack in passing. Sure hope they do. Yeah, so the tactics happening here are that... See, I wanted that star to be online. Okay, we deflected that. That's fine. Can I just get in there? I don't know what squares do. Shit. This star's dead. I don't... Wait, he drained his star already? What is this? I have no idea how squares work. Okay. Time to check the docs. Yeah, time to read the square docs while I'm... Okay, let's move to the... Wait, no, okay, I don't care. You know what, fuck it. We're going... What is this? Fuck it. Blockade 3. I'm just going for the jugular. I don't actually know how this works. Squares can jump, okay. So I need to be ready to move to middle star if this goes sideways, because I literally have no idea how this works. It doesn't look like he has a counterattack. What's he doing? Rubber banding. Okay, got him. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Use energy to get fast to some location. Okay. Interesting. See if mushrooms is in there. I'd be up for another run. Yeah, so squares can jump. So like there's squares, there's triangles, and there's circles, and I have literally only looked at circles, which seem to be kind of the most straightforward or something. Yeah, I think triangles are like, they like explode or something. They're like bombs or something. To me, like, yes, okay, circles can merge. Squares can jump. And triangles can explode. Okay. I wonder if mushrooms has like a... How's it going, mushrooms? GG, man. So you got in my head, because I have never even seen a square before. I have no idea what the squares did or whatever. So I just kind of went balls out on the last, like, you know, when the base looked undefended. I don't even know what like the chaining thing was or something. So I just sort of went for it. Do you want to go again? I'm up for playing a few times. It'd be kind of a shame if we, you know, had a 1-minute match after planning for a week or whatever. You missed it? Please go again. Super impressed? What do you mean? Don't be too impressed, mushrooms. I don't know if you, if you're talking about B, you might have missed how I was talking about how I was cheating. So I cheated. Starting to think circles were the choice. Yes, circles are at least easy to reason about. So that's why I went with circles, because like it seemed like triangle and square were harder to grok, and like circle also, like the logic of circles seemed more. If it ain't cheating, you ain't trying. That's damn right. The way of thinking about circles is more aligned with like how I've been thinking about the AI in my own game. Need to take a moment to reflect. I know, how'd you cheat? Okay, so let me talk about this. So, Centaur programming, yeah, that's pretty much it. So what I did is, because I just spent the better part of a year programming an AI, I have a appreciation for the complexity of what's involved in that, right? So, because the game allows you to upload code like in flight, what I did was I didn't even bother trying to write an AI that could do the strategic reasoning. I just wrote, I kind of looked at the board, I figured how I would want to play it, and I wrote a series of like tactical functions which I could invoke. So what's happening here is that to actually play the game, I changed this variable, right? Which, here, let me look at, is this on screen? Yeah, I changed this variable, the CMD variable, and this maps to like different functions. So I have primitive functions for just like, you know, harvest a star, and I have like this logic that runs based on the base position, which sets variables like star r's and star theirs. So it checks to see like which base you're on, and then sets some variables of convenience, so you know like which star is yours versus which is the enemy's or whatever. Because, you know, I want the AI to be going like on the first frame in the right direction, the first tick. I want it going in the right direction. I don't have to like figure out where I am on the map and like reprogram it on the fly. So when this fires, this just creates convenient references, including some like waypoints I have. I'll show you like the battle plan I had. But I can, as you thought too, OODA loop is mostly mental, and the bottleneck is the act parts to try to write the code to make it as easy as possible to change course. That's exactly what I was thinking. And what I have here is like a really simple make file. You had time to refine high-level strategy. Yeah, neither have I. I have a strategy in my head, but I didn't even try to program it at all. I programmed the tactical steps in that strategy and, you know, contingency plans, but I didn't even bother to try to program the tactical reasoning. It wasn't going to get done in, you know, a weekend where I'm buying a house or whatever. So what I have, though, speaking of OODA loop, speaking of action, I have like, this is several files, right? And I run make, and what it does is it runs a linter and just concatenates all these files and puts them right on my system clipboard. Easy to change course, vital in these scenarios. Agree. You're gonna take a hit and keep your units together. Yeah, right on. Yeah, did you want to run again? Because I'm up for another match, or we can just show a bot match or something. You also developed GVim in one file. Yeah, right on. Heck yeah, okay, nice. Let me send you another link. In that case, I'll shut up. I won't tell you any more about how I'm approaching this. You gotta wait for more fight. Excellent. New game. Give me a few minutes. Okay, right on. While you're doing that, I'm gonna read what the hell boxes are, because I like literally have no idea. Here, we can read the docs together on stream. Brush on the docs, yeah, exactly. Let's do that. In case he throws triangles at me or something. Triangles of superior shape. I actually agree. Okay, see mushrooms. Yeah. Let me send you. Here. Discord. I'll leave the docs here for now. So I'm trying to rearrange my shit on the fly. And circles. Challenge a friend. I got a link in Discord, so whenever he's ready, we'll go again. So yeah, let's read those docs, because I don't know what else squares are all about. Well, also, actually, wait, let me read. Sorry, I'm gonna read the docs off screen because I don't want the game to start without me noticing. The one thing I want to get to show off, if I did one thing right, I wrote pretty cool, like, targeting computer code for my units. But I wrote that with circle in mind, so I don't know if it's even relevant. Okay, so squares can jump, move and energize, sure, shout, set mark. Okay, so jumping is like their thing, I guess, and then triangles and explode. Okay, I don't know what that chaining thing was all about. What was that? Mushroom told me he was using circles when we chatted about this. I don't know if that was deception or if he changed his mind. But that's good though. We're both cheating, so it's fair. Okay, I don't know. So let me think. If he comes at me with triangles, what do I do? Okay, it's just a fast way to get energy from star into base without having to move the units. Okay, okay, interesting. Okay, appreciate it. Okay, well, we're gonna yellow it. I have reasonable confidence in my ability to like just adapt on the fly here because the way I end up writing this is actually pretty simple. I just can't show it at the moment on screen. Yeah, the ultimate yellow technique. Lev, while you're here, I have a question. So is it the case that units that are attacking always do 1 damage per tick? Or does that... Because like I didn't have time to experiment with like the merge and split mechanic. But does merging increase like the throughput of damage or something like that? Because like I don't know. To me, it seems like more units is always better. Attacking is 2 damage times size. Okay. 2 damage times size. Okay. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay. Yeah. So okay. So if you had a bunch of units, yeah. Okay. So you could like make a Death Star then if you wanted to, just like. Oh yes, more units is the same throughput as a bigger unit. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay. Yeah, I thought about the Death Star thing. I think it's like objectively the worst strategy, but it would be kind of fun just to like have 1,000 energy unit or something, you know? But I was trying to go like the total opposite direction. So, fight when? How's it going, Nomers? Fight starts when Mushrooms clicks the link. This is actually fight 2. We just did fight 1. In other words, you can't get more total power by merging, but you can still be useful enough for strategic purposes. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. So yeah, I don't think Mushrooms is in here, so I can reveal my secret weapon. The one bit of code that I had time to write, which is at least a little bit sophisticated, and probably works best on circles, is that the units like have targeting code that ensures that they don't waste any energy. Oh no, this is circle only circle. It took me 10 hours to write circle code. I can't adapt on the fly. So yeah, I'm a circle main here. But yeah, I want him to come back with circle if he had time to do it, because I'm fairly confident in my ability to win a circle and circle fight, but less so square, less so triangle, I guess. We'll see. We'll see what he's scheming up here. Oh, new link. Oops. I have 4 monitors and it's like not enough. Yep. Okay, here we go. So I have the same opening game here. We're gonna start by harvesting the friendly star, and what we're on the top. Okay, so he's doing the same thing too. Let's see what he changes. I have this HUD, but the HUD I realize is kind of broken, and I don't have time to repair it. So what I'm gonna try to do, if he doesn't get aggressive before this thing comes online, let's see. Let me plan ahead. My plan ahead, I would want to capture the outpost. It's not actually all that complicated. Well, okay. Well, like you're programming AI, so like there's the complexity, right? The rules actually aren't that complicated when you read them. They're actually, I think, Lev, I think your game design here is very elegant. I enjoyed it. You're guys still fangirling. Thank you, Utes. But yeah, it didn't actually take long to get into the docs at all and figure out how it's going and like how everything is set up. Okay, this star's online now. Okay, now he's going for it. Shit, I wish I had telemetry that would tell me how much he had on board. Definitely aiming for simplest possible rule set and hoping that complexity naturally emerges. I think he nailed it. I think he nailed it. I mean, like, the complexity is there in that, again, it's a game about programming fighting AI. You don't really have to try to make it complicated. So you struck a great balance with letting the complexity just be the fundamental complexity of playing the game and leaving the rules simple and stuff. Okay, when I hit 750, I want to send it. And I want to go, yeah, okay, fuck it, we're going now. I want to go while these guys are charged before they dump that into the base. But now, see, now I am making a major gambit here. Because what I did not have time to do was, like, write code that does coordination among, like, groups. So, like, I can only control, like, everyone at once. So this maneuver, what's happening here is I'm harvesting this star now, and yeah, it's now online. And I want to dump this to get this back to... I want that outpost to be mine. I want that at 100, and then, let's see. Or sorry, 1,000. Oh shit, is he shooting from there? Wait, oh, that's the outpost shooting. I've never actually seen the outpost shoot. Okay. Now, when they're done charging the outpost, they're gonna orbit this star. So, okay, I might actually... Depending on how much work this guy does, I might just be able to go... Let's see, is he... Okay. Okay, watch this. I'm gonna go to Blockade 2. So we're charged. Blockade... well, do I go Blockade 2? I want to go... What do I want to do? We go Blockade 1. Send it. Be ready to fall back. The outpost. If I get to Blockade 1... See, this might bait him. He's not taking it. Okay. We go Blockade 2. Yeah, no, send it. We're gonna win the foot race. If we capture his son, he's in like a real bad spot, I think. But see, now the thing that sucks is that I wish I had the time to program the code that would allow me to continue harvesting, but I don't have it. Your first exposure, we appreciate straightforward and asymmetrical factions. Yeah, there's a very mild consensus that circles are the strongest shape. You want to preserve the factions model, but balancing is difficult. Right, yeah. Okay, so what's his total energy and what's mine? Okay, he's coming in. Okay, great. This should go pretty bad for him, provided my targeting code works on squares. Oh yeah, this isn't going to go well unless he has a trick up his sleeve. What is approximately his energy? 5-ish hundred? I don't know. Damn, I hate this. I really, really needed more time to program this thing. Game enjoyable to watch? Yeah, I'm having fun with it. It's a really good game. I think I'm gonna fall back to... Well, no, let's see how this fight plays out. If he's committed... Oh, it's over. He's... Yeah, I think it's, like, actually over. Okay, so squares aren't, like, crazy powerful, I guess. So blockade 3 is just step in there and crush the base. So these... Okay, I think... Yeah, I think we've... Lev, do we sometimes rubber band near the end of a game? I think I've seen this fighting the bots, but... Or maybe that was him healing. He resigned. I see. Okay. Yeah. All right. Nice. That was a good game. 2-0. Curious, there are functions for scanning, aggregating enemy data, like energy size, number of units. Animated, here is the game. You alright? GG Mushrooms, good match. And if you look at the docs, animated, they're pretty clear. So like, they're really... Yeah, that was a good match, Mushrooms. That was a fun one. The docs are, you know, pretty terse or like brief, because the game is simple and like how it's, you know, composed. It's like really elegant. So like that aggregation data that you're talking about, you can program it, you know, in there, but like there's not a lot of surface area to the game's API, and I think that's great. You've never programmed so hard before. Yeah, me too, man. Like I only had 2 sessions on this, but I worked on it from like on Thursday from like I don't know, like 7 to like 1 a.m. or something, which was like a horrible idea, by the way, because I had to get up at like, I don't know, ass crack of dawn to close on the house. And then I did it today from like 3 until like 7:30 or something. I mean, like this thing was like hopelessly broken until about like 6:30, and then I just had about half an hour to refine it or something. Do you want to go again? I'm up for more if you got it. So it's open information. You can read enemy unit data. Neat. Yeah, it is open information. Yeah. Need to prepare again? Okay. Yeah. Take your time. I'll tap back into Discord and just let me know when you want a link, and I'll drop you one. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good, Mushrooms. So is this game you can't just play on the fly? You'd have to pre-plan. Yeah, good luck, man. Good luck. Utes, it's you could play it poorly on the fly, but because there's some like programming involved, like again, you play the game by programming the game, right? So if you're brilliant, you know, you could hypothetically do it, but again, to get to this level of coordination among the units, Convulse, how's it going, man? To get to this level of coordination among the units, again, I'm probably 10 or 12 hours into writing this thing. I'm not sure. Yeah. Again, to Lev's credit, like making like one unit attack another unit or something is like very straightforward, right? You say like, you know, my unit dot energize that unit, and it works. So it's not like it's hard to program because the game has a complicated interface. It's just hard to write an AI, you know? Yeah, Animated, this is a good one. Just bored because you forgot to upload your Discord bot to get, so you can't work on it for 2 days. Oh, that sucks. Are you like away from your main computer or something? Second computer. Okay, yeah. I hate that. Lev, are you gonna upload this game to like the what is it, the games database or whatever? Because this should just like people should be playing this on Twitch. This is a cool game. You should go promote this around. And like right now I'm streaming under just like games and demos or something, but if there were like a you know, specific game, I think people would play it. So how does Yari work? I thought about playing a test out JS, but I don't know. So the Convulse, the docs are here. There's already Yari.o game in the database on... Oh, there is! Okay. How do I, like, set what I'm playing? This is the first game I've played on Twitch. How do I actually even set this? Is it a tag? So the shapes have different benefits. They have different, like, abilities and move sets. But yeah, the short answer is yes, yeah. And again, I'm totally caught off guard because I've only looked at Circle. Oh, yeah, but sorry, Convulse, I didn't mean to skip over your question. So you play the game by writing JavaScript that controls the AI. Like a category right now, it's games demos, but there's a Yare. Oh, really? It's in category? Aha, okay, perfect. And Twitch even knows what it is. It tags it English RTS strategy. Okay. There we go, thank you. But yeah, Convulse, I would play around with it. I mean, like again, it took about 10 or 12 hours to get this to this level of sophistication where I was like, I feel like I can win matches with it. But it's not hard to get started at all. Like, you know, 15 minutes after, like, I actually, like, yeah, like, run through the tutorial on the link there, and it'll get you up to speed in, like, 10 minutes or something. It was, like, really, yeah, Lev, that was a really, really good tutorial. I like that. I also like that you showed the code about, like, how to use tags correctly, because this was a nice pattern. Oh, sorry, the marks. Okay, Mushrooms is ready. Let's get him a link. Load my clipboard. Get ready to go. Yeah, try it, Convulse. I think you'll like it. I've been having a blast with it. Okay, let's go. Same... I think that's my code anyway, but... Same strategy. Shit, I should have taken, like, a minute. Oh, well, whatever. I'm not going to be able to program this on the fly, I don't think. I have this HUD thing here, but it's optimized for circles, and also there's a bug. I forgot that... oh, where am I, by the way? I'm high again. And, okay, he's low again. Okay. I forgot... What's he doing? I think he changed something. He might be... Is that broken? Did he break his code? Because I should just, like, go fuck him up right now. But I don't know if I'm getting baited. I don't think I'll outsmart myself. I think his shit's broken, though. There he goes. Okay. What's he doing? Is he actually harvesting? Yeah, he's harvesting, I guess. Let's do approximately the same strategy. I just want that outpost. So I'm gonna harvest until the middle star comes online. And then the way the, like, outpost tactic works is that the units that are charged dump their energy into the outpost. Because if you don't know the rules of the game, you have to... The energy you put into the outpost is... like... Okay, how control is established. He's gonna go for it. I'm not taking the bait. He's gonna overextend. He's overextended. Actually, no. Fuck it. I am taking the bait. Wait, do I? Wait, is he coming from my base? Okay, that's interesting. We want to move to base. This should go really bad for him if I... Is he out of my range? No, okay. That might have been a terrible blunder on his part. Now we're going outpost. See, he doesn't have the energy to pull this off, I don't think. I need to be ready to retreat, though. Yeah, we're gonna dunk on him. This is over. I'm pretty sure. Actually, okay, that star's dead. Yeah, no, fuck this. We're going right. We're going right in there. Blockade 3. Just get in there. Take it. He doesn't have the energy. Well, shit, I don't either. No, fuck this. Actually, Blockade 2. I want his sun. He might beat me to the sun. This is... No, no, bad move, bad move. I'm overextending. Fuck this. He almost baited me. So we're gonna take the win, in that we've got the outpost. It's not a full charge, but it's something. Get greedy? Yeah. Yeah, I thought... I might have missed the, Oh, that's another little quality of life thing. My guys are able to, like, opportunistically recharge. We won that exchange, so I just need to not blunder, and we should win it. But I'm going to go back to unit production while he does what he's going to do. Worst case, we reset to where we were. But I have an outpost. Now, let's see if we can give this sun time to regenerate. So now this is where this gets risky, because the one thing I really wish I did have was I had this HUD code. And I wish I had more telemetry on the energy economy, but the thing I've realized just by playing the bot is that it is very, very expensive to upload bad code and just have your units sit there dead. Because you lose too much time. Do I try the blockade? I think I should just be cool. Okay, okay. Let's change our harvest. No, let's power up this outpost. That outpost has a capacity of 1,000. I only got it to 500 before the gunfight broke out. Yeah, the knowing JavaScript is a not a prerequisite, like not a hard prerequisite, but it certainly helps. It certainly helps convols. But this game is about as fun of a way as there is to actually learn JavaScript, so you might be able to learn both at once, you know? And do I blockade this? I don't see what's this other ring doing. I don't know what this stuff is all about. Let's see if he panics and comes after us. The best case. No, actually, what's he doing? I want blockade 2 right now, right? I want blockade 1. He's hesitating. My units are in the... well, I was a little slow. Blockade 1. Blockade 1 goes to a waypoint that I set, which is about here. The idea being I want to avoid drawing fire from the base. Actually, I might have positioned that poorly. Fuck it. Blockade 2. I want to blockade his son. See, if we play this again, and I would like to play this again, I want to spend time writing code that allows me to split into like 2 sets of units, because if I could like harvest his son and make units, like that's the win. You're not happy with the tutorial yet? Definitely want to improve it. Interesting. I actually thought it was really good for what it's worth. So see, this is where I wish I had energy economy information. I don't want to just assault his base. But I won the earlier exchange, so I am probably... Yeah, you know what? Actually, let's start the gunfight. I don't know how squares attack, but I'm gonna wager that my code, my targeting code, is better than his. And if it is, that'll decide it. So we're gonna YOLO it again. And we're gonna be ready to fall back to Blockade 2 if it goes sideways on us. Actually, no, Blockade 2 is useless. We're gonna fall back to Outpost because that can cover the retreat. How's this going? Oh, I don't like what's happening. Why are we shooting? Okay, we're rubber banding again. Might be having some network issues or something. Need to fix that? Yeah. Whenever it starts repeating a frame, it's game over. Game over like it crashed, or game over like he resigned or something. Did you resign? What happened, Mushrooms? Because I thought you were still ready to put up a fight. I couldn't tell. Did you resign, or did we crash out? You destroyed the base. Oh, I did? I didn't even... 0 HP. Oh. Okay. Oh, you're ready? Okay. Interesting. Okay. I guess I don't know how to read the base energy. the squares fucked my head, dude. I'm not psychologically prepared for squares. I didn't know that's how that worked. Okay. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. All right. Yeah, GG Mushrooms. These have been fun. You want another one? I can keep going. This is fun. Actually, like really enjoying this. You do? Okay, awesome. Let me know when you want a link. Running low on ideas. Gotta work on the game? I'm not sure. I guess we'll see how long we run this. I actually haven't thought about my game in about a week, so I'm probably not prepared to do any meaningful game dev, but I might look at it. That rack start with a bug that broke your ideas. I thought so. I said that on stream. I thought you were dead in the water for a little while, but I wasn't sure. But I couldn't tell if you broke it or if you were trying to bait me. So I just stayed and I harvested the sun for a while because like I didn't want to blunder, because if I went in and again, there was some square magic happening that I didn't understand. I could have thrown that one away, I think. Yeah, actually, yeah, okay. Do I have time to... Okay, so there's one bug I know I want to fix right now. I'm gonna be stupid here. Do I have the... And yeah, Mushrooms, let me know when you want the link. Okay, so if s.hp is equal to 0 is the thing that matters. Okay, if s... Oh, fuck. Wait. See? Okay, yeah, let me know. I don't actually have the... It's this, that's the spirit. We don't care if he's dead, so if s dot HP... I've been writing too much Lua. Can't even write JavaScript. If s dot HP... What did I say, not equal to 0? Oh, if it's... Yeah, not equal to 0, that'd be fine. I hope that doesn't crash my shit. If it does, I will recover by commenting out the HUD entirely. It's useless as it is. Let's see if that did it. What I'm trying to do there, and even that is fairly useless, but that should at least give us an accurate unit count if it was more units. Again, in a circle versus square match, it doesn't actually seem like it means all that much, but at least I fixed a bug. What I would really like to have... Do I have time to do this shit? Let's write some really bad, really fast code while Mushrooms is preparing. Energy us is 0. Energy them is 0. Your own 2D Elite Dangerous. That sounds ambitious. I don't know if I've actually played Elite Dangerous. I don't think I have. Energy us plus equal s dot energy. Energy them. He's probably hacking while I'm hacking. And actually, if this is circles and square, let's just do the energy. En, US, En, them. Does that seem right? It's pretty fast. We get the spirit. We ignore dead spirits. If it's one of my units, I add its energy. Yeah, I think that's right. Is the linter gonna bitch about this? Oh, yeah. It's gonna bitch about that. Okay, well, let's see if that works, and if it doesn't, I'll, fix it. Okay. I won't get too greedy. It's about as much I want to try to program on the fly. I think. Is this HUD always running or on command? So I'm writing it to the console, and the console is only shown when you want to see it. And I animated it. It's not the F12 console. It's not the normal one. It's one you can drop down. So I haven't been looking at it because when I realized it's circle versus square, the data that I've been running, that had been outputting is useless. Enough time to... If he's really hacking, I'm gonna really hack. Let's see. I wish I had the ES6 stuff here, but fucking linters. Pain in my dick. Hang on. Whatever. Okay, let's do this. Well, I checked one thing. It's clean. Yeah, I can show this on screen. Okay. Well, he's still hacking. Let's do this. Edit foo.js, and I don't want to lose a match because I failed string concats or whatever. Var us is 10. Them. Yen. Them. Yen us. Desktop. What did I call that? Foo. Yeah, I fucked that up. He's not ready yet. Concat. Okay. Okay. So, that is allegedly a HUD that shows me the unit count and the energy count in case he throws another shape at me. I'll have all that information. Let's leave this guy here, I guess. Yeah, okay. That's a little bit better. We might have an informational advantage now, because that's the info I need if I want to know when I can attack and when I should retreat and such. And let's do this. Do that on another branch in case this goes wrong. I can check out Master and get back in the fight. He must be retooling over there. So Lev, like, in your mind, like, how far along is your game here? Because to me, like, okay, there's like 1 or 2 bugs or whatever, but this seems pretty mature, right? I mean, have you been working on this for a while at this point? Eight months, okay, nice. On the back end, is it like Node, I'm guessing? Because like I like accidentally did like this or something. And like, is that Express, I'm guessing? It's already released if you're planning on more things? Okay, yeah. Like, is this Node Express or something? I'm just curious. I mean, I obviously don't feel obligated. Node and Express, yeah, okay, I thought so. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, this is a lot of fun. I would definitely be up for playing this regularly and/or with, you know, other challengers or whatever. I really do actually enjoy this quite a bit. I'm just curious, Lev, did you bother to write this in TypeScript? Like, what's your opinion on TypeScript? You want possibly have code and custom UI to play the game with, so you can literally code a button that'll perform whatever you want. Axis mouse. Oh, that'd be pretty cool. Yeah. So like, okay, yeah. So like the stuff I'm doing here, where I'm just changing this variable, you could like create some like event-driven UI thing where you can just send signals to your backend or whatever that controls the units. That'd be pretty slick. I actually really like that. I ask about TypeScript though, because like you obviously are pretty talented here, and like I hate TypeScript, and I don't know if I'm just like a boomer or Luddite or whatever. You only know Vanilla JS. You're officially designer. Oh wow, really? Okay, you fooled me. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. When I worked in Node, because I worked in Node full time for about 5 years or something, and not full time, a little longer than that. I decided that I like conclusively hate TypeScript. I think it's like probably the single worst programming language that people actually use. So I was just wondering if you used it. Looking at the information available and think that with the energy position of units being open and visible, the idea of force projection to understand the map is very feasible. Yeah, so if I were to try to write the strategic AI code, right, yeah, no, I follow animated. It would be based on that. The thing is, so like, you would need force projection, and then you would also need like to account for force accumulation over time, because the units travel relatively slowly, which I like. So you'd also have to account for like how much force would the enemy aggregate while you are traveling, right? But you totally could do it. But for me, like, yeah, in about 10 hours, I'm like, okay, I'm like not even gonna bother with this strategy stuff. I'm just gonna make some tactical kind of macros almost. But yeah, I do agree. I really think the ODA loop plus like deltas of force projections is just like the way to solve these tactical problems. Like I feel like I could take what I've learned from Balance of Power and go apply it to most any tactical kind of game, right? Oh, Lev, while we're just killing time too. Um, One thing that I had one point of confusion and possibly one suggestion. Let's start another song. The point of confusion is that I had assumed wrongly that that your sight radius was identical to your weapon radius, and I don't think that's the case. Correct me if I'm wrong. If I'm not wrong, for what it's worth, I think it would be neat, probably, if you had another property that would show you like a radius inside of sight that is like, are you within, is a unit within weapon radius or something like this, like a sight stat in range or something. I don't know. It's a shitty word, but you know what I mean, because like I had to like kludge around a little bit. So something I'm doing in my AI is I'm trying to like opportunistically charge when an AI is otherwise, like when a spirit is otherwise idle. Because like I actually haven't even gotten to show off the kind of gunfight code I wrote yet. But I'll run a bot match if nothing else before the end of the night so I can show it off, and I'll demo what I mean. Sight's a very strange thing. You're considering removing sight altogether and force you into calculating all distance manually. Interesting. Okay. For what it's worth, I actually enjoyed sight, and I originally was planning on redoing some Fog of War work to be useful, but never got into it. Okay, yeah, interesting. For what it's worth, I do think having your sight array makes this a lot more accessible, because otherwise you're forcing players to do like I guess trig. I mean, kind of Manhattan distance. Okay, mushrooms is struggling. Okay, yeah, he's good. Let me give him a link. Sorry, I'll continue that thought after this match. Oh wait, sorry, that was not the thing I meant to do. Circles, friend, link. And what? If I crash immediately, I comment out the... util.hud. So get ready on that guy. Okay, we did not crash. And we have energy metrics. Do I trust them? I guess I trust him. Okay, that must just be a square thing again. It seems like he has a ton more energy, but again, maybe there's square. I guess... Oh shit, I should pay attention. What's he doing? Is he going right for my base? That's like not gonna work out, is it? Move. Base. These guys need to keep... Yeah, this is gonna go pretty bad for him, I think. What are you fucking... Oh, god damn it. Now it's gonna go bad for me. Oh, fuck, I typoed it. Oh, god, it's over. It's over. No? Okay. What's he have? Whatever, that's... False start. That was a comedy of errors. Oh, now if he's doing that, that's... What's his energy? 64? What's mine? Shit, he's... Oh, God. That's... I'd like to just go stomp him, but I can't do it. He's got the energy advantage on me. Or, well, okay, see, actually, I'm not even sure about that. I'm still unclear somewhat on the relationship between energy and HP. Are we harvesting? Yeah, we're harvesting. Okay. I need to be real careful here. Let's get ready to go to move to base, because he's probably going to come back. Yeah, he's coming back. Move base. Get in there. Don't dump the energy into the base. Oh, he got me. Shit. That was a good one. That was a good one. So, okay, so I guess do bases not regenerate is what we learned there. That was a good one. Okay. No, that was a good one, man. Yeah, you just went for it. I thought you had blundered, but you were able to recover enough energy from even the dead star. Yeah, nice. That was a good one. Enough energy from the dead star to go finish the base. That was a good one. I don't know what I could have done about that. I probably should have just pursued you to this star, but I had the energy disadvantage, I think. I don't know. Yeah, anyway, nicely done. You up for another one? Yeah, that attack, that worked pretty well. I'm trying to think like what I should have even done about that. I'm sure there's an answer to that. I just don't know. You don't have to do much now? Okay. Now I have to code? Okay, we can try it again. You want a link then? Give you a link? Okay. That is in Discord. And I don't know if I have to code or if I just need to play better. Was the initial error that you dumped energy into the base? Yeah, I kind of fat-fingered what I was trying to do. So yeah, you picked up on it, Animated. If you dump energy into the base, you can create new units, but you lose the ability to attack. So I had wanted to save that energy so I could counterattack, but I fat-fingered it, and then they dumped it into the base, and then even then, you know, he retreated, so I probably still could have recovered, and I just blundered it. I don't actually know if he's going to do that again. I actually don't know what my response is, other than prepare. Let's do this. Let's have M hot on base, and I want... Okay, let's look at this. He's coming, he's going right at it. Okay. So... Move to base. Energy economy is what? It's probably unfavorable. Dude, wait, what are you doing? Okay, yeah, do not. Okay. So if this works... Okay, now I'm going... I think that's it, right? I don't think he has a response to that. Okay, yeah, okay. So that was it. Like I just fat-fingered it initially. So he at least doesn't have a hard counter. I do have counterplay. I just have to not fat-finger the response. Okay. Lev, what is the relationship of energy to hit points? I'm sure that's in the docs, and I just missed it. If harvesting is an action, then the blitz there will always lose. Do you mean because, like, he loses the energy economy by They'll head in with starting energy, and you have enough time to harvest. Yeah, okay, right. I agree. I agree. And I think that's how that just played out. Yeah. Yeah. And by the way, Lev, that isn't a hard counter, I think is testament to good game design, right? Oh, okay, so, like, the one thing that confuses me is that it looks like squares start with, like, 100 energy or something. Oh, sorry. One moment, we're in Discord. And what I'm not clear of immediately is how, like, okay, so if his units start with 100 energy, how, like, do I have to burn off 100 of his energy before I start doing hit points damage, or how does that work, I guess? And I'm very confident that that's in the docs. I just, you know, reading comprehension failure. Okay. Spirits are alive or not, HP is 1 or 0. As soon as energy would go into negative, the spirit is dead. Okay. Okay, that makes sense. With squares, you need to burn through 100 energy to kill it. Okay, understood. Okay, that makes sense. Appreciate it. Is he just doing this again? Let's prepare, move, base. I should just, like, create a retreat command. And... don't do it! Okay. So now I'm in orbit of my base. I think this plays out the same way, except I'm a bit more scattered, but I should still win. Do I pursue? Is my HUD worthwhile? I have the energy advantage, fuck it, dude. But, well... oh, he's gonna do this shit again, fuck. Okay, well he has the advantage now. This is now just a race. I think he might actually win this one again. In fact, my money is now on him. Prepare to move to base. That's the full... oh, god damn it. They dumped energy. That's not good. Energy economy is... yeah, he should win this, I think. Unless my targeting code is better. Okay, this isn't a winning move for me, so I'm gonna YOLO it. I want the outpost. No, he's coming back. What do I want to do? That star is dead. I don't even want to waste my time with that star. No, I do want to waste my time with that star. Move to star mid. No, he's gonna win this. It's basically over. 40. Yeah, there's like no way. Okay, fuck it. Blockade 3. No, it's over. Yeah, GG. It's like over, right? Yeah. Okay. That was a good one. So yeah, okay, I need to figure out what to do about that. That's a rough strat. It's sort of just about, like, the timing of who... the timing of where your units are in the harvest cycle, actually. That's a tricky one. GG Mushrooms, that's a good one. Can you shoot and move at the same time? They can. Left a bad fix in code too, so you lost the guy. Yeah, I saw that. It looked like it got something script. You hot patched. Very impressive. Very impressive. Yeah. I haven't done any hot patching in game yet. You have a good strat there. I don't really have a counter to this. I'm up for more though, if you are. I just need to think on my feet here. Figure this one out. I might have something I want to try, but I don't have confidence in it. Ready when you are? Sent you a link. Alright. Think about this. You know what I should have... Well, fuck it. We're doing this now. This might play out exactly the same. Except... Okay. No, let's do this. Next move. Move to star mid. That's going to be our response. I'm interested in it too. I actually don't have much confidence in it. And then if that works, I want to take Storm. Oh fuck! Wait. Oh god, it's over. Oh my god. Wait. Did he blunder? What's happening? Okay. Okay, well, that too was a comedy of errors, I think. I don't feel good about that. You know what I do want, though? Let's... Let me do this. Mushroom says he already has the fix. I want a retreat function that moves to base. Let's... Yeah, okay, fuck it. It linted, so it's probably fine. Yeah. Okay, so we have that, and new game, circles, challenge, link. Okay, so that's a reasonable counter, I think. Though well, I don't know. I think that was a comedy of errors. Pursuing this more, get a unit grouping macro. 100%. That's what we need. Is a way to like have unit groups. And I know approximately how to do it. I just haven't had the time. Maybe just killed. Yeah, I think he would have. I think we both blundered at the same time. Now, is he coming up the middle again? It kind of looks like it. Okay. So I want to be ready to go to... I guess he's just, like, committing to this, like, all-in aggression. Okay. So I want... Oh, my next move will just have to be make a stand at the base, which is now retreat. But I need to harvest, like, every Balance the energy out of this guy. That did pretty good. Now don't dump it. Don't dump it. Don't dump it. Okay, good. So we should win this gunfight. And then I want to move to the midpoint. We just can't let him have it. But see, this is a risk. Well, okay, no. See, that star. He's. Yeah. This is a dry well. That's the counter. I think that's a fairly robust counter, even though it depends on timing. Yeah. Okay. That's the counter to that aggression. Pursue before. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. That's the counter. Because like the risk is that that star doesn't actually come online until like a couple ticks in the game. Okay. Go again. Do I want to do anything? Let's just quick, let's make a command S that is move to star mid. Oh, that's the default for M, fine. Okay. I think we have a hard counter. Or need to re-up on triangles, see if they enable rush down more effectively. Yeah. Yeah, I think triangles thing is that they explode, so I have no idea what the implications of that are. There's actually a new mapping prepared. Oh, awesome. Okay, I'll have a neutral base captured. Make more use faster and stuff. Oh, that'll be awesome. I'm like, yeah, that sounds like fantastic. I don't think I'll make it too complex. I think that is good variation. I like that. I also like your instincts to not make, to not allow the game to become complex, but I think that's like a good addition. Am I happy with this? So it's gonna be H into R. Like if he doesn't have an innovation, that's my counter. Is harvest one cycle, retreat to base, pursuit to outpost, or not outpost, pursuit to mid star. I think my gun code is more sophisticated than his too, but I'm not fully sure of that. But let's repair. Next command is retreat. He's coming again. Makes all sense, even without special abilities. Stars basic force will do more than just all one-time commands, which is nice, yeah. Okay, so we find this energy. We prepare. Now he's stopped. Okay. Oh shit. Shit. Too slow. He's gonna win. He basically just won it. No, my god. Well, okay. Is his weapon range longer, or what's happening there? Oh, I hate this. That star is dead. I'm not gonna let him do that. Move to midpoint. Oh, what's this now? Isn't this just a blunder? See, he doesn't know the star is dead. I don't think he knows. Oh, this is a blunder. Unless he's... Wait, what the fuck? Somehow he's shooting me and I can't shoot back. That's a bit weird. I don't know if square has a better range or what's happening. Because I have no response to this. I think I just lose now. Oh, square jump to get out of range quicker. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. I have no response to this at all. I guess we're going to YOLO it and hope for some kind of probabilistic it works out for me because he's got sophisticated bullshit happening. Yeah, no, this is over. He wins this. Yeah. Damn. Attack range is same for all shapes. When he shoots, he should be able to shoot back in the same tick. Okay. Maybe it's just that his beam is thicker and I don't see my beam. That might be what's happening. Like we're shooting at the same time, but his beam is just on top of mine. That's probably what that is. Yeah, yeah. Thicker beam. Feels bad, man. Did I... Oh, he's like... Okay, I don't... This is stupid. Resign. It's over for me, obviously. Damn, okay. So that's still a pretty strong counter. It's ready to go again. Actually, fuck. Wait. Oh no, it's fine. Okay. Changing plans because I think his meta game like beats mine here. Don't harvest. Let's just go have a fucking gunfight. How about that? Default command will be retreat. Let's just have a fucking gunfight. And this will be my code versus his code for whose gun code is better. I think I win this because his... So he's coming in. He's got to figure out pretty soon that I'm up to something. I guess I should have probably just moved directly to this star, and we should have had the fight there, but that would expose me to him getting the turret, because the turret is maybe near to him. I don't know. I just want to do this. Let's just see how this goes. This should be like a raw... I think I win this, because... Unless... No, I have to win this. I'm pretty sure. Watch this. So his problem, I think, is that his units overkill mine. So my energy will accomplish more work. Now I should just pursue to midpoint. I think I should just rush him, actually. I'm stupid to let him... Yeah, the counter is just meet him in the midpoint, actually. No? Okay, yeah. See, that's a... like a hair's width, man. But I think that's the counter. Okay, we're going again. Let's try this. Opening gambit. Move directly for the midpoint. Unless he gets clever with jumping, I think I win this because his units overkill mine and he thus wastes energy. I think. But I don't actually know that. It could also be that he annihilates my... Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, there's actually like a throughput thing here because he'll probably annihilate my units on one tick. So my units might be dying with energy actually in the gun capacitors or whatever. Okay, now what's he doing? Yeah, okay. That's my counter. Outpost is basically the same as normal unit for energy calculations. Okay, understood. Thank you. Okay. That's the meta game. The meta game is like fucking barroom brawl. Yeah. Yeah, and what I think is, I think what works is, I think it works because he wastes energy by overkilling my units is the thing. We're preparing another link. He's ready to go again. I'm just going to gamble on him having not made any adjustments. But I don't know what my... Like, if I go for the midpoint... And he could bait me, right? If he hesitates and withdraws. I imagine if he sees you moving mid for rush, the best answer is to harvest until he thinks your target is actually his base. Yeah, that's the thing. They're... At this now, it's like a game of chicken almost, right? Like it's a matter of you, like if you're gonna do the rush thing, you have to like fully commit to the rush, because if you let the other guy get away and harvest, like it's over. So what is he doing, and what is my plan? I don't think I want. Do I want outpost? What if I go? Okay, after this, I'm gonna rush outpost. That actually might be the move. Actually, shit, that is the move. That's the hard... I think that's a hard counter. Unless his path doesn't put him within firing range of the outpost. How does this play out? I think he got that. Yeah, he won that. I don't even know what happened differently. We're discussing these events in the Discord. Oh, did he merge? Is that what he did? Okay, I want to move... Okay, here's my gambit. My gambit is I take the outpost, I dump my energy to it, and I retreat. Because he can't damage the outpost. Right now it's not actually the tools as much as the tempo. Yeah, I agree. This isn't... This is like, you know, allegedly an AI programming game, and we've devolved it into just who can button mash or whatever. But I think he actually merged squares is what happened. I'm not sure, but okay. Oh wait, I need to pay the fuck attention. So I dump energy into this. And I get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. It's over. He wins. I don't know what's happening. Why isn't he just winning? One person mastered this squeeze 3 squares rush. Oh, cool. Okay, so he's... What is this energy? Okay, he's attacking. Okay. And now, yeah, this is like super mega over. So I retreat, and I have my 2 piddly units against his 3 giant units, and it's a disaster. Wait, what? What the fuck was that? Okay, what the fuck? Alright, I actually, like, fully thought that was hopeless. Miscalculated, yeah. I don't actually know what happened. Oh, he shot the base, right, and he couldn't finish it. Okay. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Okay. Yeah, so Mushrooms in Discord saying this isn't even programming anymore, this is just an actual RTS, which is pretty correct. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I'll harvest, I guess. I don't know. I'll try the harvest retreat strat. And I'll see if he evolves. I think he has like the winning meta here. And I don't think I have an answer to it. But the best I have for an answer is probably harvest and just get there in time and don't fuck it up. So one of the things I was thinking is that you want a function to give time to kill based on energy differential. Actually, like, yeah, right, yeah. That would be the sophisticated version of this. Right now, I'm just trying to like eyeball it and not fuck it up. But see now here, maybe this is actually okay. I'm gonna be conservative. Like, don't dump this energy. Don't dump this energy. Retreat to base. Don't dump the energy. Okay, I'm gonna be conservative. Okay, do I pursue? Yes. Just go... I should have been faster on that. I still think he probably wins this, but it's so hard to call at this point. Okay. Lev, that this comes down to like individual ticks, I think is testimony that you've done a superb job of balancing the game, because if the game were like a little bit unbalanced, one of us would be winning consistently, I think. Do check the replay. I definitely will. Let me like. Let me just open that. Yeah, I opened that in a tab because I do want to, like once we're done duking this out. The one thing I kind of want, I think I might have an answer. I don't have time to program it. X. Move to... Fuck. What's the base? Fuck. Okay, well... it's over. I fucked it up. He's probably like on his fucking way here. Yeah, this is over. This is over. Super over. I'm just gonna like throw this one. I want to go to 500, 700. What is he doing? He's shouting "rip." Okay, I didn't see how that. I didn't see how that played out. I think I'm blundering because I just dumped all this energy. This is just like. This is a disaster. This is a disaster. Okay, well, fuck it. Comedy of errors time. Let's hot reload this shit. Probably we crashed because I wrote that too fast. No? Okay. No, he's got it. Yeah, that was it. Okay. Damn. H and X. Yeah, okay. So the plan, I dump energy into the base to give it some health. I do one loop of harvesting. And then I want to park my units right about here. And I want him to shoot the base. And then I want to fuck him up. You know, tracking the score. I'm not. It feels like it's about 50-50 now. Like, I started with the lead, but since he found the bar fight meta... what's he doing? Okay, I don't like that position, I don't think. I guess it's fine. Okay, fine. And now, retreat. So what I want is for him to shoot the base, burn off energy. See, he's trying to bait me, and I'm not going to fall for it. I think he knows that this is a losing trade for him. What's the energy economy? 183. I must not be reading that right or calculating that right or something. Now if I let him go too long... Okay, fuck it, I'll take the bait. Yeah, get fucking lasered. There we go. So that has an advantage too. Because it like actually let me step away, just pour a drink, hit the bathroom, I'll be right back. One Okay, combat betting, hit on your base first, remember that base energy resource, and if it soaks up a few hits, then it's basically tanking. The problem arises if the initial hits are hard enough to really screw you. It basically leaves you with extra ships initially. Yeah, that's kind of the plan, yeah, is tank with the base, and then comment. And the other advantage... The other advantage of this, like you just saw too, is like by grouping them up behind the base, you focus fire, right? So instead of like him being able to pick me off one at a time, while like my guys slowly get in range but aren't, it's like everyone just like fucking blasts. Okay. We're still chatting in Discord. Okay. Let's do that again. I don't know if he has a response to that. I feel okay about that. So let's... I think it's on him now to respond. Yeah, let's go HX again. And see what he does. So we prepare maneuver X. It's funny how this has evolved so quickly, because like the initial games were like a bunch of harvesting and then positional play and that kind of thing, and now it's just like a one strike, like a fucking samurai movie or something. Instant precision damage, exactly, yeah. So I'm aggregating, okay, and now I think I could just take this and win. I'm just gonna go at him. I want the midpoint. I think I just win this. If I don't, there's no response. I just lose. Yeah, I just win this. It's the focus fire, dude. The focus fire is crazy powerful. Again, this is where triangles just fuck you up. Yeah, exactly. Triangles would be like a hard counter to this, probably. Okay. Mushroom's response was "fuck me, Lamau." In game design terms, we're dealing with called action economy, sure, like the tempo in chess or whatever. One horse-sized duck, 100 duck-sized horses, yeah. Or like 100 duck-sized horses that are all cramped into the area of a regular horse or something with the focus fire. Oh shit, I didn't actually mean to click that. I mean, this is awesome, but I didn't mean to click that. Fuck, wait. Fucked it up. Voltroning into a bigger duck. Yeah, that's what we're dealing with here. So do I don't think I need to evolve. I think this is a hard counter for him right now, so I'm gonna keep doing this. Lev, this makes me really want to go and kind of watch your some of the replays and stuff. Like I'm kind of curious, like where the meta has ended up for this, or if there is a meta, because I don't know. What's he doing? He's still just gonna. It looks like he's doing the same. So unless he throws something new at me, it's HXR. It's Hackster. Oh my god. The Hackster meta. So he withdrew. Let's see if he has a new plan or if he's just trying to bait me or what he's doing. Is he orbiting around a point? What the fuck? Oh, wait, no, he's just doing the... Okay, he just moved to this... Okay, right. Okay, right. He moved to this coordinate. I go mid. No, I don't. No. Wait. Yeah, I go mid. This probably loses for me. I don't know what the... No, retreat. That loses. Retreat. So I'm slowly letting him gain energy, so this isn't acceptable. Okay, one thing I wish I had is a way to know coordinates. X2. Wait, fuck it. I can't see the screen, fuck it. X2, go to... 1500, I don't know. I don't care about the quick thick list then, god damn it. Go to 1300 and 1000. Yeah. X2, we coming from the side. He dumped energy into that outpost. I'm not going to let him weaponize it against us. We want that to be a sunk cost. We go to X2. I'm hoping X2 is approximately here, and then we come in laterally. Midpoint. I win, I think. Wait, what's he doing? No, retreat. As long as we intercept. I just need to be on a path that'll intercept with him. He might win. I'm gonna be too slow to respond. He wins. Fuck. No, he didn't have the energy because he bled it off. Okay, so where's he going? Midpoint? It's over. Yeah, good. Okay. You can barely write code when someone's looking over your shoulder. I can find the doing under real-time pressure. Yeah, it's fun though. It's all for fun. But yeah, it is a bit stressful. The code is not the kind of code that I would like ship to production, but we got her done. Harvesting questions. Right, okay. Okay, alright. Okay. I'm going with the Haxer Meta again, because I don't think he has countered that yet. Wait, the Haxer X2R Meta, whatever. So we harvest one cycle, X, yeah, we X to focus fire and tank with the base. And if it goes crazy, we group at X2, which I've placed around here. Yeah, X2 is the response to the outpost strat. Okay, so X is still my meta. I don't know if he has a response to that yet. Yeah, he noped out of that. He almost could have did something there. Because I was kind of slow on that trigger. Now, if he's... Okay, he's splitting or something? I want to approach from X2. I don't want him to have time to actually pull energy from this sun. And then I want to come in laterally at the midpoint. As an aside, X2 should be lower. Let's push X2 to 12, I guess, whatever. I won't reload that. There's our focus fire. He's trying to transfer energy or something? I don't know. Oh, shit. Well, okay. Is he shooting me? Or am I shooting it? What's happening? I'm losing. I think this is a stalemate because I am... Actually, he has the outpost. He's not defenseless. I just need to get back. Okay, I got out of range. That was hairy. He'll probably resign because I now can trivially win this. It would just take 5 minutes while I recharge. Yeah, he resigned. It's sensible. Time to make that dip orbit into straight attack while dodging. Oh yeah, right. Yeah, it is almost worth macroing that. Let's see, so here I have a more lateral approach on X2. I guess that's fine. Worst case, if he's undefended, you recharge at his star. Yeah, so, well, okay, so like initially, so before we wrap up tonight, whenever we wrap up, I want to show how I planned this against the bot. Because, sorry, I need to pay attention. Because my thinking was that I would try to end by blockading his star. So I actually have macros for that, but this isn't playing out the way I anticipated, which is very cool. I probably just fucked up. Can I back out of it? No, I can't. Okay, watch this. Here comes some micro shit. I'm gonna wait until he's at the low part of his orbit. And I'm gonna try just... I don't want this to play out the same way again and again. Because that's boring. So now, I'm gonna try to harvest again for the hell of it. And now I got all these dudes. And now I don't know if I get back in time, but I want to try it. So get ready for maneuver X again. I think I lose. I think I handily lose. Unless he like doesn't have the energy. Oh, I guess he didn't have the energy. Now I need to get aggressive because that star is online. So now I just need to take it. I should have a significant energy advantage, and I have a force fire density advantage or whatever. Oh wait, fuck though. No, hang on. X2, 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 X2. Now I cannot let him slip past me is the one issue. Get ready on the retreat. Because if he gets... I wish I knew what the range of this guy was. Okay, bud, where the fuck are you going? Okay, that's a little bit farther than I wanted. I can't let him win the foot race back to the base. I think he might be trying that. If he's gonna camp, I'm gonna try another harvesting loop. Also, let me... What's my base energy? 0 energy? Let's try it. I might be throwing this away. So what's he doing? He's doing my outpost play. Okay. Yeah, you're right, Animated. This is it's kind of sketchy. I think this might be a weird one. So I had this other plan. Okay, do I move to like... I want this one in the pipe. I want a waypoint. Well, no, I can't do that. That's too risky. I'm just gonna harvest for a bit because I'm gaining an advantage here. Now he's got 1,000 energy in this outpost. Is he trying to beat me back? Oh, don't dump that. Don't dump that. Don't dump that. Yeah, I think we baited him. Now we just want this cluster. Am I too afraid of this thing? I can't let him do this. Pursuit to midpoint. I think this is the decisive moment. Either this works or it doesn't. Oh man, that thing has fucking long range. Oh my god. Get ready for the retreat. Okay, we got it. We got it. He'll probably resign again. Like, because this is now just a boring conclusion. That was a good one. Okay, let me catch up on chat. Yeah, don't want to be sacked when harvesting for sure. Seems that the transfer sequential for the base and does it anyway for you. Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay, we're gonna take a break there because both of our brains are fried. Yeah, my pleasure, Animated. That was a lot of fun. We gotta do this again. This game fucking rules. Lev, you made a great game here. You made a great game here. Yeah, GG Mushrooms. That was good shit. That last one was like perfect. Yeah, likewise, man. Likewise. Yeah, that was very very satisfying. That last match because I feel like for a while we were just like it was just the refinement on that one meta because like Mushrooms. Once you found that just like rushing meta. I had nothing to do but just try to respond to that. But that last match, like, kind of broke out of that and went haywire. So that was like awesome. Shaking from nurses and caffeine. That's funny. Yeah, I'm definitely pretty caffeinated at this point. I'm like 5 or 6 cups of coffee into this day so far, and a bunch of tea too. But yeah, that was awesome, dude. I'll have to like. Share. I have like this code up in a private repo. I'll have to like maybe polish it a little bit up and publish it so you can look at it because, yeah, we need to trade notes. That was a very very good set of matches. Yeah, I agree. Fun and stressful. Yeah, that was really good shit. I feel like I had like just enough time, like literally down to the hour, to put together a script that was like good enough because like if this were at 7 p.m. instead of 8 p.m. my thing was like plainly broken. You're my strategic genius. Thank you very much. That's very very high praise coming from you. I'm impressed with the just the up the middle rush thing you had found. That shut me down for a good couple of matches. It took a while to respond to that because I didn't think of that. I kind of assumed. Like, like when I was thinking about this a little bit, I thought, like, you know, I was aware that could be a strat, but I figured that was straight up a losing strat because, you know, the travel time to the base or whatever. But that was a miscalculation, and you made it work. It took a little while to find a counter for that. So that was a very very good strat. Figures worth trying the simple one. Yeah, particularly since you developed your bot aggressively attacking the test AIs. Yeah, okay. I actually have yet to play a bot that isn't dumb bot. I didn't have time, and for me, I was just trying to make the software work, and I figured like, well, you know, just like fuck it, I'll do it live was pretty much my strategy because I just didn't have time. But I figured like if I could make the kind of macro-y thing work, I would have some confidence in being able to win, but that got really tight. It's interesting how you can kind of block off yourself from producing to neutralize the defender's advantage. Yeah. You started streaming a bunch of times, probably made a huge mess of odds. That sucks. Yeah, I still kind of like need to step away and think a little bit about your box thing because that worked so well. I still can't quite explain it. I don't. Like, I feel like I have some response to it now, but I don't think I have the hard counter for it. I'm sure if we play again in a week or whatever, you'll have figured out the response to my response, you know? So I need to think about that. And then there's also, like, triangles and shit. I have no idea. You know, if you can help playing again. Yeah, it's fair enough. If you do want to play again, let me know. Because I'd be happy, maybe in like a month or something, because I'll be busy moving for the next couple of weeks and shit, and I got some things I need to catch up on. But I'm happy to play this. Mushrooms, I'll play you. Yeah, Lev, I'll play you. I'll play now, accepting all challengers. Right? Let's do it. It's on theme. I was thinking about this the other day, Lev. It's bizarre how in a lot of ways your game and my game are incredibly similar, right? Like it's a very simple red team versus blue team. There's one resource, it's energy. You know, like an emphasis on minimalism. I mean, they're very similar. And in fact, I would go as far as to say, I'm really glad that you didn't come into my stream until I was like 14 months into my game. Because if you came in earlier, I would probably just abandon my game and play your game, right? Because your game really scratches the itch I had of wanting like a test bed to write some AI code or something. You notice that too, right up Muddy's alley. Yeah, it sure is. It's like very, very much like my kind of game. I loved it. The only other game I've ever played that's like this, I mentioned before, is Our Robots, which is like a Ruby game where you have like two tanks you're controlling or whatever. But this, in my opinion, is like way more fun, and it's definitely more polished. Our Robots is cool, but this is head and shoulders better than it. Mostly an FPS player. Okay, yeah. You put up a damn good fight, though, man. Like, that was, like, really, really good matches. That was fun. I'll, like, save this VOD and upload it to YouTube or something, because that was, like, really good shit. RTS was a huge struggle, but forced yourself to learn it a little bit. Yeah, right on. Yeah, I played a lot of RTS when I was a kid, too. A lot of Command & Conquer, but I haven't played since then. Just for the hell of it, yeah, I'll save this one. 100%. I'm recording. Yeah, I'm recording locally. Yeah, I stopped uploading the programming VODs to YouTube because like they're boring and no one gives a shit. But I'll save this one. This was a cool stream. The one thing, do you want to see like how I had kind of planned this? Because like do you want like a quick showcase of the bot macros? Because like I'd walked into this thinking we're doing circle and circle, so I got like totally blindsided by square. Yeah, please. Okay, yeah. Let me show you this. So I'll just show dumb bot because I haven't played any of the bots that even fight back yet. Because like I said, I was just trying to get my like tactical macro-y shit wired up. So I did circle. Yeah, circle. Sorry, I'm like brain dead now, like totally brain dead. Until you picked squares for Pokemon. I thought you said circles, or maybe you said circles then you said squares. I forgot completely. Okay, so here was like how I had figured this would play out. So I'm down there, they're up here. Yeah, in hindsight, I really should have read the square docs or something. So in my head, I like to play these kind of games somewhat conservatively, or at least I like to not make blunders. And that being the case, I had ruled out pretty much immediately mushrooms, the kind of stuff that you did, which shook me up, which is like the instant attack kind of thing. So what I was planning on doing is running a few harvesting cycles while we wait for this star to come online. Because in my mind, like the most like aggressive march down the field kind of strat is like, you know, build up a bunch of units, take the outpost, and then go in. Rush cheese is the most basic strategy. Yeah, it is the most basic strategy, and shame on me for like overlooking it and underestimating it, because that was surprisingly strong. I thought for a little while, like you had like 3 on a row on me or something, I think. And for a little while, I thought like you just found the meta and I had no counter, and I was just gonna lose all of them. That took some work to respond to that one. Yeah. Actually, Lev, in a minute, let's watch that, because I want to see that too. This is the link, but after like this plays out, I just want to watch that on stream because I'm pretty curious. Okay, so now this guy's starting to come online. So what I was gonna do was possibly with a moment to regroup at the base. I was going to wait for this guy to be up to like 700 energy or something, and then I was going to go for the outpost. And the outpost macro harvests this star, and powers up this outpost till maximum. And then when the outpost is maximally powered, everyone recharges and orbits this star. So this is fast. So you can see they're organically splitting up into two teams based on their respective energy charges, right? And, you know, I figured if I got this far, it was, like, over. I'm not sure if that was true or not, but I thought so. The outpost didn't protect me when it was in the middle. I would it would have if I really kited hard. Yeah, the outpost has, like, way bigger range than I expected, though. Like, it was a serious threat to me, because, like, some of the programming I did on the fly, like, you see this X2 thing. So this X command I made up, I called it X because, like, I didn't have time to think, just focuses us here. X2 is my response to that, where it focuses us about here, because I was going to come in laterally this way to spend as little time in the range of the outpost as possible. But okay, now that I marched down the field this far, I was going to like prepare my barricade strat, or my blockade strat. So I was going to play blockade 1, possibly going directly into blockade 2, and now we release from the star and we position about here, where I'm just kind of like watching traffic and waiting for a moment to enter. And by 2, I enter. Like here, the way this timed, I'm just going to enter. And now I have some fairly sophisticated, I mean it's simple but sophisticated, gun code, such that each unit only spends enough energy to kill any single unit, right? So you can see, like, this just fucking deletes whoever comes here. So at this point, like, I've blockaded your sun, and, you know, whatever's coming in is, like, just fucking dead. Because, like, to me, like, again, my kind of, like, plan here was like, I wasn't even going to try to solve the strategy in code. I knew I couldn't do that. You're seriously impressed by both of your bots? I thought this would just be super basic fights. You know, yeah, we went all in. Yeah, we did. We went fucking ham. That was, like, super well played, Mushrooms. That was super fun. But yeah, the code here, like, what I'm doing is on every tick, I'm, like, sorting units into friend and foe and checking. Like, once I figured out that, like, each laser does, like, 1 damage per tick, what I did was I just started to track which units on my team committed to attack units on their team, and it's a simple lookup table or whatever, simple map. And then, like, by here, the move is obvious. Blockade 3 just shoots them to death. Because, like, initially what would happen is, like, if the code is as simple as, like, if you can see someone shoot someone, what happens is, like, you know, your 100 guys encounter the same one guy at once, and then, like, everyone dumps their laser, and you do infinity damage to this one guy who would pose no threat, and then you're out of lasers, right? So I was, like, trying to just, like, only fire as much energy as is necessary to kill the units as they came in, and that was my plan. Is, like, I figured, like, if that code was clever enough where I was thinking if you were circles, I was going to just try to win on the cleverness of the targeting code. And so I wouldn't have to, like, strategically outplay you. I would just hope that my code was better. But it didn't, but this, like, so you saw my simulation of how I thought this would go. It was nothing like that at all. In Mushrooms, you found that box rush made it that just blew the thing wide open immediately. They do size damage, and your size is 1 because you never use the special join. Yeah, I'm interested in join, but I just, like, didn't have time. How long in ticks does it take to move between base and star? Good question. I might be going overboard adding anti-overkill. Okay, you added that too. Yeah, I think anti-overkill is, like, essential. Because, like, otherwise you just waste so much energy. But apparently your code wasn't even efficient enough. Something about plans meeting the enemy. Right. I got stuck on here for a while just because I'm, like, fucking stupid. What even was it? Oh yeah, what I forgot was, like, this is, like, my main loop basically, where, like, I'm just iterating over each unit, and I was thinking that this was iterating over each tick, and it's not. It's every unit. So, like, I was clearing out this variable at the wrong time because, like, what I have is, like, this just this object called allocated, and when we're attacking, You can see it's pretty simple. We iterate over every enemy in sight. We check if we're aware of this enemy, and if not, we allocate 0 units at it, and then we just like incrementally allocate units, and we've determined that we've allocated enough units to kill on the next turn, we stop allocating, and that's it. And then, like, as an emergent property of that, the damage is spaced across all the enemy units in range, right? The fights might have actually come down to differences in anti-overkill. Yeah, I think it really could have, because the anti-overkill was the last thing I got right before the match, and if it were circle and circle, and you had anti-overkill and I didn't, you would have won every match, no question. Where it was box, square and circle, like, okay, maybe it wouldn't have mattered as much, because you had fewer units, but circle and circle was like, I was throwing away, like, all of my energy. With your small units, you're able to focus down some of your DPS before you can take my guys down as they heal each other. Yeah. You think your code is more energy wasteful. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I really do think, like... I mean, even in these matches we were having, like, it was a hair's width of, like, who won or who lost, and it came down to, like, the energy economy, like, plus or minus 5 or 10 points or something. At least, like toward the end, right, where that... where I had a somewhat reliable response to your box rush meta. That one match was almost a draw. Yeah, right. Like I had like 2 units get away from your turret or whatever, and really, if you had like 5 energy between them, yeah, right. And really, like in my mind, if you blew up all my units, I would consider that a win for you, because like we both have 0 units, but you have the outpost. So like I would have clicked the resign button in that case, because I feel like that would have been my loss. But yeah, let's take a look at Lev's link. Where did I put that link? Did I click? Okay. So this is the link that Lev shared. This is like a high-level box player. And oh shit, triangles. Oh man, oh god, workers and stuff. These guys have like roles and stuff. This is sophisticated. Oh, whoa, that was neat. That's crazy, dude. You're still laughing from adrenaline? Yeah, that was good shit. I feel there's a breakpoint where Square gets like 1, 2, 3 harvest cycles in, and just outpaces via economy and still rushes. Cyberbox Jump. Yeah, this was nuts. Can we just rewatch this? So what did this... So he just like went right in, huh? So how does the jump thing work? I want to see what that jump looked like. So they jump and then they chain? See, I don't know those methods at all. I don't know... I have no idea how that works. So, okay, so they just jump to the distances that are like probably the maximum distance that they can beam energy or something? Jump consumes energy based on distance. Oh shit, okay. And it's a teleport. Motion is just interpolated between 2 ticks. I see, okay. So this is a fast initial hit from that first box, but keeps energy reserved for the second and third. Damn, that's crazy. Okay, so this guy dumps 100 energy or whatever via these guys as the conduit, and they were just the conduit. Okay. That's crazy. That's super cool. Lev, if you're still around, I know it's like 5 a.m. your time, so if you're not, no sweat. But if you are still around, is there a prevailing meta? And if so, is it cheese or what is it? Like, cause like I don't mean that disparagingly, but this is like awesome, but cheesy, right? Just that insta kill. Do the high level players just like win immediately, or are there high level players that like to march down the field and build up big armies and stuff? Alpha Strike with the jump, yeah, no, that's a cool strat. I like that. This is just cheese. The high level games last longer. Interesting. Okay, interesting. Do you have like a way to just like browse replays? Is there like a discoverability mechanism for replays? Because like, what I would love, just FYI, would be like a way to see like all of the highest rated matches or something, or like the matches between like the highest level players or something like that. That would be super cool because like now that I have some appreciation for like the depth and nuance of the game, I would like to be able to watch it and study it, you know? And if you don't have that, please consider that a feature request, because I want that. I want that. Drengel didn't defend the cheese, yeah. Drengel needed to get some energy on the base and or block at a different point, yeah. Yeah, I guess getting energy on the base is like a pretty good defensive strat, because like that's what I had to do as the counter to Mushroom's initial rush. This is also quite high level. Let's check this out. Yeah, let's get that shit off screen. $6x better? Okay. Okay. I want to see how the circle plays it. Oh, look, he's doing the focus? What the fuck? Okay. This reminds me of the force projection shit I'm talking about in Balance of Power. You see how that they're staying right on the edges of who can shoot who? This is force projections, right? Man, is he just gonna encircle this guy? That's awesome. Yeah, force projection, note the flanking, yeah. Okay, now it breaks. Now there's a breakthrough. Dude, this is cool. That was awesome. Okay. I'm just curious, Lev, do you have telemetry to know like how many times a player is changing their code per match? Because like what I would just be curious to know, right, is were these guys playing this one the way Mushrooms and I were playing, or was this like fully automated, fully algorithmic? You know, do you have any way of knowing that? Because like that would be really interesting. And as an aside, like yeah, maybe it would be cool like on this timeline or whatever, if you could see like a blue bar or a red bar whenever someone like uploaded a code change. I think that would be really interesting. Because I would just love to know that. You see him slow-mo probably. Yeah, that is nuts. You can drag the time bar tick by tick if you want pause. Right, yeah. Yeah, it is beautiful. Rewatch it, but not the red player much decision on the last one. Yeah. The two top rated players are exact opposites. One has fully autonomous AI, another has almost fully manual. That's crazy. That's so cool. Okay. All workers went straight to rally point. Yeah, that is amazing. Let's watch that one again. Let's watch that at 3x, because I'm a little bit too smooth-brained to really appreciate this one. Let me watch this one more time, then we'll watch that one. Because I'm really into these games you're linking us. I really like seeing this force projection thing. It feels like it's a kind of a vindication of how I'm approaching balance of power. It's interesting to see that other people have thought about this in the same way. And I mean, I'm pretty sure that's what's happening here. Let's get a little bit closer here. So what is this? Okay, I need to learn about this like energy linking stuff because like I have no idea what any of that is. Lev, do you know if anyone is actually like just throwing machine learning at this? Because that'd be pretty interesting. I don't really know how you do that off the top of my head, because I guess you can't really like train a neural net. You can't like get the output or whatever, I guess. But like an API where you could like parse this would be interesting or something. Notice how red builds up economy does ramp it up. You start funding you see outposting back. You're building a local sandbox. Awesome. Awesome. That's so cool. Oh, there's a Discord. I'll be joining that after stream. Okay, let's check out this one. Wait, I wasn't even looking at the right spot. I was looking over here at this thing. I didn't even realize this base was getting blown up. The linking is straightforward. There's a range of 200 on energize, and you transfer energy to a friend. Okay. Can't charge yourself and transfer simultaneously. Start to change. Slow it down, yeah. Circles can't do that, can they? Circles can't transfer energy, can they? Did I just like totally overlook that? I haven't seen a circle do that yet, I don't think. But I don't know. Oh, circles can do it too. I had no idea this was a thing. Okay. I thought that was like unique to boxes. I didn't realize you could just beam energy. Oh shit, that changes, like for circles, I mean. That changes shit. Okay. Damn, that's cool. Now I gotta think about that. Boy, I should be paying attention to this, shouldn't I? See, when I just look at this, I think, oh, well, blue has an overwhelming advantage. Like, red is hopelessly lost, and there's no possibility for counterplay. And then red just, like, kicks in the door. This replays between the top players. Circles are full AI, squares are manual. Interesting. It looks like these guys have, yeah, different teams going on too. Interesting. So it makes sense that the manual player is squares just because the human has to keep track of what's going on. So I guess like 2 is his like diversionary team and 1 is his assault team. Squares are 10x bigger than basic circles. Okay. Do circles merge much? Is that... circles can merge, right? I'm looking at the docs again. Yeah, that is genius. That's so cool. That too I really like, because yeah, it makes sense that you would have the autonomous swarms of circles, you know, which a human couldn't control, right? Versus the boxes, which, like, yeah, they're more powerful and a human could do it. Need to get some sleep. Thanks for doing this. Yeah, man, I would love to. We should plan on doing this again in like a couple of weeks or something. Like I said, I need to move and stuff, but I would love to play this again. I've had a blast with this. Yeah, so yeah, sleep well, Lev. Thanks for stopping in. Thanks for sharing this with us. And yeah, we'll ping you again. I would like to do this again. You mentioned merging as a way to pull health. Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking at first too. Pull energy and stuff. Yeah, this game is awesome, Lev. Very well done with this. I'll be joining the Discord and following this game. I love this game. Speaking of which, yeah, what? Oh, it's 10:30 already. Jeez, okay. My brain is also pretty fried. So I might also check out momentarily. Let's see, is anyone else streaming Yari at the moment? That would be a good raid or something. Let me... Where do I put on my browser tabs? Let's see who else is on right now. There's this Mushrooms guy streaming. He's pretty cool. And Omni SC. Let's go check out their stream. Yeah, let's go check out Omni SC. I think I saw like I saw your 10 like stream starts and stops Mushrooms. But yeah, thanks for hanging out, guys. This was a super fun stream, and Mushrooms again. Thanks so much for playing. Those were some like really great matches, especially for being like both of our first time. I think we both did really well, so that was awesome. Thank you. Let's go say hey to... I'm gonna type his name wrong. Like, too tired to read. Omi SC. Have a good night, guys. Catch you next time.
Spider.